In the world of search engine optimization, EEAT is the acronym you need to know. What is it and why does it matter for SEO? Let's find out. EEAT reflects Google's search quality rating guidelines. It stands for expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. These are the vital elements Google assesses for online content and websites. Human quality raters use it to assess page quality. It shapes how Google's algorithms evaluate authority and rankings. EEAT emerged in 2014 and gained traction with the 2018 Medic update. In 2021, Google added experience to emphasize real-world expertise. Along with learning some best practices, it is good learning to clear up any misconceptions or clarify common misunderstandings. Learning from the mistakes of others decreases the time it takes to master a new skill. Remember the rule of 3 when listing out content, as it is a powerful memorization device. Why is EEAT crucial for your SEO strategy? Let's see. Optimizing with EEAT boosts rankings and CTR while protecting against algorithm changes. Google sees EEAT-compliant content as the highest quality. To learn more, read our guide below.